How to delete website email account in Cpanel. So let's get started with the video. First, log into Cpanel with your Cpanel login username and password. In Cpanel settings page, to delete a website email account, you need to enter email account section. In this page, you will find all the email accounts created in your Cpanel. To delete a website email account, click the Manage button that is associated with the website email account. In this page, scroll down to the bottom and click Delete Email Account button. Once you delete the website email account, all the data in the website email account will be lost forever. Again, confirm deleting the website email account and done deleting the website email account in Cpanel. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.